the title of this video, you can tell what I'm doing in this vlog. I'm going to California. So excited about that. I'm actually going with one of my best friends. She is my neighbor. She's probably like the longest friend I've actually had. She is my neighbor. I already said that, didn't I? Yeah, I did. But basically, we have this tradition. It's not even like a tradition. I don't know if you can consider it a tradition yet because we've only been doing it for like since last year. But we went to Disneyland last year together with her parents and her family. And now, this year, we're going back. Yeah, so that's what's happening. Our flight leaves this afternoon. We're flying to Orange County, and we're gonna get in and out tonight, and that's all we've got planned. So, yeah, but I just thought I would intro the vlog, because you're probably just like, what's happening? Also, I really hope you enjoyed my terrible dance moves when I was packing. I really have to sneeze. But then as soon as you say that, then you don't have to sneeze anymore, which is so annoying, but whatever, it's fine. But now we're gonna go in about 5 minutes, I think, and go pick up Bridget, and then we're flying to Orange County. I think that's what you call it. I'm not even quite sure, but let's do an outfit of the day in my new mirror setup thing. Why is it not focusing? If you haven't yet watched the video where I built this thing and I DIY'd it, go watch that. It's down below. I'm wearing these jeans from PacSun, this shoelace from Amazon, this is from Forever 21, and this is from Nike, maybe? Anyway, time to go to Disneyland! Finally got to, oh, this is Bridget.
Hi.
Say a fact about yourself. Tell them what your favorite vegetable is.
Carrots. I love carrots.
So good, so good. We're gonna go get food now because I'm starving and I have no personality when I'm starving. We literally walked to the other end of the terminal just to get Starbucks, but is it good? Is it worth it?
It's good.
So it's all good. Okay, we just got in. Flight went well. We didn't crash into the ocean, which is a good thing. Don't want to have to do some survival stuff or anything. Not prepared for that. But it's about dinner time. We're hungry, and guess what we're doing? Going to In-N-Out, of course, because yes,
Delicious.
we don't know where we live, so that's why we came. Just kidding. No, that's not why we came. That's a little bit of why we came. But see you at Burgers. We're here. We're delirious because we're so hungry. We just finished eating. It was good. And we just took some pictures. People were kind of looking at us weirdly, but it's fine. Who cares? You only live once. What's up? We got to our hotel room. It's 7 o'clock or something close to that. I have way too much energy and other people. I'm filming a hotel room tour because what else are you supposed to do in a hotel? Not film a hotel room tour? That would be just unacceptable and rude. So here's the hotel room tour. Look, it's me and Bridget's room. There's a door. There's this thing. So fun. And then there's the bed where you can take a nice little nap. TV, wardrobe thing. There's a mirror. Look, there's me. Her phone's charging, whatever that is. The bathroom, that's not very interesting. Over here, chair. Let's rate the chair. Let's see how comfortable it is. Pretty comfortable chair, like 8 out of 10. TV. Oh look, and it's the teacups too. So we can spill all the tea. We're done with that room tour. I'll see you sometime soon. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. We stayed up way too late last night to be doing a full day at Disneyland, but you know what? You can't do anything about it. It already happened and you can't change the past, and I don't regret it, so. But we're going to Disneyland today, and if you guys didn't know, Disneyland's like split into 2 parks, Disneyland and California Adventure. We're doing Disneyland today and California Adventure tomorrow. So catch us getting a lot of coffee because we stayed up too late, but who cares? Yay, we got it. I'm so excited. Okay, sorry if it's gonna disappoint you, but I can't vlog on the ride because I will literally end up dropping the camera in the water and then I will cry. I think we all will. There is no one in line yet, which is really good. This is so sick. We got our own log. See? Nobody. Our own log. There's still no one in the line, so they're letting us go again. Round 2! Suicide! That was fun. We did that twice. Obviously, I already said that, but now we're gonna go to the Haunted Mansion to get spooked for a real one. I don't understand how little kids aren't afraid of that ride. A little scary. Okay, this is lunch. It looks really good and we're both really tired because obviously we stayed up late last night, but that's okay. But now the park's starting to get crowded and people are just... But anyway, time to eat.